In time of installation, please insert this pipe into this bubble top water can. Then remove this fuse. Then you can switch on this machine button. It will get time 10 minutes to refill the water. After it's get done, again you just switch off the machine, reinsert the fuse so that you may not get shocked. Then again you can switch on the machine to be continued. Take 2 well cleaned milk vessels, pour 4 to 5 liters of water into the milk boiler base. Each with capacity of 2 liters, and pour the milk into them. Close the lids. Insert the silicone milk tube into the hole-on lid. Open the door using the provided key. Take out the coffee vessel. Then add 200 gram of coffee powder into your coffee vessel. Then fix the vessel properly and insert the backside tube into the machine. Take out the tea vessel. Then add 200 gram of tea powder into the tea vessel. Then fix the vessel properly and insert the backside tube into the machine. Close the door. Press the menu button. Then press the OK button. After choosing coffee, press OK to start brewing. Same process for the tea brewing. Having done the brewing process of 30 minutes, now the machine will be ready for the consumption. It will not work out by using a UPS or battery backup option. If you are going to use generator, you should have the capacity of 6.5 kilowatts.